The dust settles soft on the hem of her gown as she walks through the ruins of the life I tore down. I watch from the rafters, a ghost in the wood, wishing I could be what a better man would. But my fingers are talons, my chest is a forge, and the space in between us is a widening gorge. She placed a small lamp on the table tonight, and for a brief moment the stone looked alright. I reached from the dark just to feel for the heat, but pulled back my hand in a bitter retreat. I'm a blunt force ending to a story just begun. I'm the shadow that kills every spark of the sun. I am keeping my distance to keep her alive, in a garden where nothing of hers could survive. I don't have the softness, I don't have the light to be anything more than a chill in the night. Oh, it's a sorrowful mercy, this wall that I built between the girl and the man that the centuries filled. Spend a lifetime learning how to crush, how to silence the world into a terrified hush. But I look at her hands and I look at my own, and I realize I've turned into nothing but stone. If I open the gate, if I let down the guard, she'll see that the center is jagged and scarred. I'm a blunt force weapon, I'm a wrecking ball, and I'd bring down the ceiling just to give her it all. But she's made of starlight, and I'm made of the fall. The echo dies down and the silence returns, while the ghost of a feeling inside of me burns. I retreat to the corner, back to the cold, to the safety of secrets that shouldn't be told. She'll wake in the morning and look for a sign, a crack in the armor, a slip in the line. But she'll find only shadows where I should have been, filtering through all that might have been. Yes, I'm keeping my distance to keep her alive, in a garden where nothing of hers could survive. I don't have the softness, I don't have the light to be anything more than a chill in the night. It's a sorrowful mercy, this wall that I built. God, I'm so hollow and she's so fulfilled.